I tried Komodo wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Komodo wallet app, I expected just another basic crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 full days, the shocking truth is that Komodo is far more than that. It's a powerhouse of innovation built around security, privacy, and decentralization. From the moment I set it up, I noticed one major difference. Komodo doesn't require personal information or kick to get started. Within minutes, I had full control over my wallet and private keys, meaning no third party could ever freeze or access my funds. That alone sets it apart in a world where most wallets collect your data. The interface was surprisingly clean and fast. I was able to store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of other cryptocurrencies all managed in one secure place. But what really shocked me was Komodo's Atomic DEX integration. It allows users to trade crypto peer-to-peer directly from the wallet without using a centralized exchange. No middlemen, no custody risks, just true blockchain freedom. During my test, I made several swaps between coins using Atomic DEX, and every transaction was confirmed quickly and transparently. Most people get this wrong, but decentralized trading doesn't mean slow or complicated. Komodo proved it can be smooth and efficient. Security was another standout feature. The wallet uses advanced encryption and seed recovery phrases, plus offline signing for added protection. Not once did I experience lag, connection issues, or hidden fees. By the end of 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Komodo wallet isn't just for hardcore crypto users, it's a glimpse of how all wallets should work in the future. If you value privacy, control, and real decentralization, Komodo delivers it all in one app.